Hello, welcome back. I will discuss today modern linguistics, human processing, brain, mind, and language. Mind and brain, neurolinguistics and psycholinguistics. What is psycholinguistics? It is the study of the relationship between linguistic behavior and psychological processes, including the process of language acquisition. Psycholinguistics or psychology of language is the study of the interrelation between linguistic factors and psychological aspects. The field is concerned with the psychological and neurobiological factors that enable humans to acquire, use, comprehend, and produce language. Neurolinguistics. Neurolinguistics is the branch of linguistics dealing with the relationship between language and the structure and function of the brain. It is the study of the neuromechanisms in the human brain that control the comprehension, production, and acquisition of language. The primary goal of the field of neurolinguistics is to understand and explicate the neurological basis of language and speech and to characterize the mechanisms and processes involving in language use. Brain, the most complicated organ of the body. It lies under the skull and consists of approximately 10 billion nerve cells, neurons, and billions of fibers that interconnect them. The neurons or grey matter form the cortex, the surface of the brain, under which the white matter, which consists primarily of connecting fibers. The cortex is the decision making of the body. It receives messages from all the sensory organs and it initiates all voluntary action. In this grey matter, the grammar that represents our knowledge of language resides. Two parts of the brain, cerebral hemispheres. The brain is divided into two parts called cerebral hemispheres, one on the right and one on the left. These hemispheres are connected like Siamese twin right down the middle. Parts of brain: left hemisphere, right hemisphere, and what is lateralization? Language and brain. Since the middle of the 19th century, there has been a basic assumption that it is possible to find a direct relation between the language and brain and a continuous effort to discover direct centers where language capacities, competence, and performance may be localized. Lateralization, it is a term used to refer to any cognitive functions which are primarily localized to one side of the brain or the other. Patients with such damage in Broca's area are said to have Broca's aphasia. Aphasia is a neurological term used to refer to language disorder that follows brain lesions caused by stroke, a tumor, a gunshot wound, and an infection. Thank you.